Can you see what Mr. Steve is doing in the garden? He is sweeping up the leaves. He is using a broom to make the job easier. The word sweep can be used in many different ways. You can sweep something under the carpet. To sweep something under the carpet means to try and conceal something. You want to hide something away, normally related to a thing you don't want other people to find out about. An embarrassing action might be swept under the carpet. Another phrase we can use is make a clean sweep of something. To make a clean sweep means to begin again. You start from the beginning. You clear away all the problems and all of the things that have been getting in your way. You begin again. You make a clean sweep of something. Then we have the phrase, sweep someone off their feet. To sweep someone off their feet means to make a very strong impression on someone, normally connected to a romantic situation. A man might sweep a woman off her feet. To suddenly fall in love with someone is to be swept off your feet. He came along and swept me off my feet. I couldn't resist his charms. You might have to sweep up another person's mess. This figurative phrase means that you are having to deal with another person's mistake, something they did. You now have to sort out. They left the problem for you to deal with. You have been left to sweep up their mess. So there you have it, some useful ways of using the word sweep. I suppose I should let Mr. Steve carry on with his work, and I will see you again very soon for another English lesson. Ta-ta for now.